We will be discussing the problem in Pytle's book at page 126, number 3.37. Find the resultant of the three forces acting on the square plate. First, let us identify the given and the required in the problem. Then, let us solve for the resultant force since it is faster to solve than the point of application. After that, find the respective moment of the forces in any point in the figure. In this video we use the origin as the moment center for all calculations. After getting all of the moment, add them all to solve for the resultant moment. We can use the resultant moment to find the point of application of the resultant force. Since we already know the resultant force and the resultant moment, we now use the equation that we know to solve for its point of application. The equation that we are going to use in this problem is the cross product of the force and the distance, which is the moment. Since we are given with the force and the moment, we only need to know the distance. To find the distance, first, we write the distance r as xi plus yj since the point of application of the force can only be present at x and y axis. For all of the forces are located only at the x and y axis. Next is to get the cross product of the force r and the distance r that we established to solve for its point of application, and we equate it to the resultant moment we earlier had. Then, we will now be able to solve for the distance of the resultant force in respect with the x and the y axis, in which it lies in the coordinate 3x, 3y, and 0z.